Hi there, it's Murray McMillan, and this is the second in the screencast series dealing with user groups. Now you'll remember from the first video that we went to our control panel, we expanded users and groups, we clicked on groups, and we switched our edit mode on. What we then did is we went over to the create single group action menu. That's that drop down menu there, and we saw that the two options available were self-enroll and manual enroll. Now in this case what we're going to do is we're going to click on manual enroll to create our group, and the first thing we have to do is give the group a name. And then you can add your description at that stage and scroll down to the next option, which is group availability. Simple enough, toggle from no to yes, and it's defaulted to yes, and in this case we're going to leave it defaulted to yes. At this stage you have some more choices to make. If you can have a look here, you have all of these tools: blogs, collaboration, discussion board, email, file exchange, journals, tasks and wikis. All of these things are available to your students in the group. If you're looking to use these tools within a group, the pedagogic advice about that would have to come from my colleagues in learning and teaching. For the purposes of what I'm going to do in this screencast is to show you how to use a group, how to relate that to your grade center, and how to relate that to your content. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove access to all of these tools. The next choice you have to make is who is going to go into the group. Now you do that by just simply clicking on the name of the student, moving it across, so I've moved 4 students into that group, and then I'm going to submit that. And what we've done is we've created the manual enrollment group, and if we need to edit that, you simply click on edit, and it brings back the same screen. If you had taken away some of the tool availability and you had changed your mind about that, you decided, okay, I want my group to have a discussion board, you could click on discussion board. All of the other settings remain the same, and submit, and then that group now has access to a discussion board. So just to recap, what we did was we went to control panel, users and groups, groups, create single group, manual enroll. Give the group a name, add a description to the group, decide whether it's going to be available or not, decide what tools are available to the group, none in this case, and decide who's going to be in the group. 3 students in the group 1 group, and then submit that. What I'm going to show you now is how you move multiples of students into and out of groups. So I'm going to choose group 1 again. I'm going to click on the action menu, that's the down facing chevrons, and I'm going to edit that group. I'm going to scroll down to the students that are in the group, and if I want to move one over, I can, out of the group, and if I want to move more than one out, I would click on it, click on the control button on my keyboard, select both of them and move them over. Now if I wanted to move multiples back into the group, you select one, click on control, select another, and then choose the ones you want to move, and over they go. And as simply as that, you can move multiples of students into and out of groups, and then you would submit to save those changes. So that's very basically how you set up a group and how you add users to a group. And I look forward to speaking to you in more screencasts.